Web browsers such as Firefox, Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Edge show all types of files. Here you can see an image of the logos of frequently used web browsers. In this case, the browser has read and is displaying a .png image file. However, the most typical purpose of a web browser is to show a web page. And web pages are most commonly created using HTML. It's time to create your first web page. To do that, you will need an HTML editor. There are many of these available for free. Notepad++ is for PC computers only. Text Wrangler is for Mac computers only. TextPad and Sublime Text are available for both PC and Mac. So download whichever one you prefer and go ahead and open it up. I'm going to open Notepad++, and here you see a basic text editor. I'm going to type in "Hello World," and then I'm going to save it. File, Save As. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Make sure you know where you're saving it, and I'm not going to save it as a TXT file. Instead, I'm going to call it myfirstwebpage.html. You can name it whatever you like, but just make sure it ends with a .html file extension. Now we have our HTML file, and if I double click this, the file is opened in Chrome, the default program on my computer for opening HTML files. This is the web page as displayed by Chrome. If I want to view it in a different browser, I can right click on it, select Open With, and select any browser that I have installed on my computer. Instead of Google Chrome, I could choose Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. This is the same page as before, now being displayed by a different browser. Now you have made your first web page. Of course, web pages almost always contain more than unformatted text, and so will require the use of HTML. Now that you have an HTML editor installed, you are ready to start writing some HTML code. But for now, friends, that is all I have to say about HTML files and HTML editors.